Both of these students answered the same IELTS Speaking Part 2 question. One scored Band 5, the other scored Band 7. Can you hear the difference? Describe a person who inspired you. You should say who this person is, how you know them, what qualities they have, and explain why they inspire you. Let's listen to the Band 5 answer first. Pay attention to the grammar and vocabulary used. I'd like to talk about my father because he's a very inspiring person for me. I know him because he's my father and I live with him all my life. He worked very hard every day and always tried to help family. Since I was a child, I see him doing many things for us. He have many good quality. He hardworking, honest, and kind person. He always help other people when they have problem. Also, he give good advice and support to family. Sometimes he work long hour, but he never complain. He inspire me because he show me importance of hard work. When situation difficult, he don't give up. I want become person like him in future because he good role model. His attitude and determination make me feel motivated and encourage me work harder in my own life. Looking at the Band 5 analysis, we see several issues. Missing is verbs, missing articles, third-person errors, and very basic vocabulary throughout the answer. Now compare that to this Band 7 sample answer. Notice the difference in complexity and flow. I'd like to talk about my father, who has been one of the most influential people in my life and someone I deeply admire. I've known him, of course, for my entire life, and I've always looked up to him because of the way he handles both his personal and professional responsibilities. Growing up, I watched him work incredibly hard to provide for our family while still making time to support and guide us. One of his most admirable qualities is his strong work ethic. He is extremely dedicated and never gives up, even when he faces challenges. In addition, he is a very kind and generous person who is always willing to help others without expecting anything in return. Another quality that stands out is his patience. Whenever I have a problem or need advice, he listens carefully and helps me find a solution. What inspires me most is his determination and positive attitude towards life. Even during difficult periods, he remains optimistic and continues working towards his goals. He has taught me the importance of perseverance, responsibility, and treating others with respect. For these reasons, my father has had a significant impact on my life, and I hope to develop many of the qualities that make him such an inspiring person. The Band 7 answer succeeds because of its complex grammar, better vocabulary, detailed explanations, and natural-sounding connectors. It feels much more sophisticated. To move from Band 5 to Band 7, you don't need perfect English. You need fewer grammar mistakes, better vocabulary, and more developed answers. That's exactly what examiners are looking for. Follow IELTS with Ferhan for more Band 7 speaking upgrades.